Comparison of numbers. The rules of comparison of larger numbers is the same as that of comparison of 4-digit numbers. Rule 1. The greater the number of digits, the greater is the number. For example, 71,384 is greater than 8,134. This is because 71,384 has 5 digits, while 8,134 has only 4 digits. So, 71,384 is greater than 8,134. Rule 2. If the number of digits is the same, then we start comparing the digits from the left. We compare the digits until we find 2 digits that are different. The digits that are different are compared to find the larger number. Let us compare the numbers 35,439 and 35,408. Here, at first place, there are same digits. At second place, there are same digits. At third place, there are same digits. At fourth place, there are different digits. That is, 3 is greater than 0. We see that the digits at 10,000s, thousands and hundreds places are the same. At tens place, 3 is greater than 0. Therefore, 35,439 is larger than 35,408. Ascending and descending order. When a set of given numbers is arranged from the smallest to the largest, the numbers are said to be in ascending order. When a set of given numbers is arranged from the largest to the smallest, the numbers are said to be in descending order. Example 5. Write the following numbers in ascending order: 54,218, 27,009, 71,852, 24,613. Solution. Here, all the numbers are of 5 digits, and on comparing leftmost digit, we see that 2 is the smallest digit, but there are 2 numbers having 2 as the leftmost digit. So, compare the next digit in both the numbers, that is 7 and 4. 7 is greater than 4. So, 24,613 is smaller than 27,009, and 2 is smaller than 5 is smaller than 7. So, the correct ascending order of the numbers is 24,613 is smaller than 27,009 is smaller than 54,218 is smaller than 71,852. Example 6. Write the following numbers in descending order: 8,78,490, 8,11,593, 8,90,901, 8,43,019. Solution. Here, all the numbers are of 6 digits, and the leftmost digit for all the numbers is the same. Comparing the next digit, we find 9 is greater than 7, is greater than 4, is greater than 1. So, the required descending order of the numbers is 8,90,901 is greater than 8,78,490 is greater than 8,43,019 is greater than 8,11,593. Successor and predecessor. Adding 1 to a number gives the successor of that number. 4,39,640 plus 1 is equal to 4,39,641. Subtracting 1 from a number gives the predecessor of that number. 61,471 minus 1 is equal to 61,470. Formation of numbers. Forming the smallest number. To write the smallest number using the given digits, we arrange the given digits in the ascending order. Remember that if 0 is one of the digits, it should be written on the second place after the smallest digit. If two of the given digits are equal, we write them one after the other. Example 7. Write the smallest 5-digit number using the digits 4, 8, 0, 3 and 6. Solution. The digits other than 0 when arranged in ascending order are 3, 4, 6, 8. Thus, the required 5-digit number is 30,468. Remember, to form a smallest number, place 0 at the second place from the left, as we cannot start a number with 0. Forming the greatest number. To write the greatest number, we arrange the given digits in the descending order. If two of the given digits are equal, we write them one after the other. Example 8. Write the greatest 5-digit number using the digits 3, 5, 5, 9 and 7. Solution. The given digits in descending order are 9, 7, 5, 5, 3. Since 5 appears twice, we write them one after the other. Thus, the greatest 5-digit number is 97,553. Remember, to form the smallest number, arrange the digits in ascending order. To form the greatest number, arrange the digits in descending order. Rounding off numbers. Badminton matches played in Olympics 2024 was watched by around 5,20,000 spectators. The above sentence does not tell that exactly 5,20,000 spectators were present at the stadium on that day. The number of spectators might have been 5,17,360 or even 5,24,090. Here, 5,20,000 is an approximate number. Rules for rounding off the given place. Check the next place towards right of the given place to be rounded off. If it is less than 5, then all the numbers after the given place to be rounded off will become 0. If it is greater than or equal to 5, then the place to be rounded off will increase by 1 and all other digits on right side will become 0. Rounding off to the nearest 10. If the ones digit of a number is 5 or more, increase tens digit by 1 and replace ones digit by 0. If the ones digit is less than 5, the number rounds down to the same 10. Replace ones digit by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. For example, on rounding off 326 to nearest 10, we get 330 as 6 is greater than 5. Rounding off to the nearest hundred. See the tens digit. If it is less than 5, replace each of tens and ones digits by 0 and keep the other digits same. And if tens digit is 5 or more, increase hundreds digit by 1 and replace each digit on its right by 0. For example, 424 is rounded to 400 and 864 is rounded to 900. Rounding off to the nearest thousand. See the hundreds digit of the given number. If hundreds digit is less than 5, replace each one of hundreds, tens and ones digit by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. If hundreds digit is 5 or more, increase thousands digit by 1 and replace each digit on its right by 0. For example, 2345 is rounded to 2000. 27,532 is rounded to 28,000. Roman numerals. You have learned to read and write the Roman numerals up to 39. 3 times x, I, x. Now, we will learn reading and writing of these numerals up to 100. We already know that there are 7 basic symbols to write any Roman numeral. These symbols with their corresponding Hindu-Arabic numerals are given below. Roman numeral, Hindu-Arabic numeral, I, 1, V, 5, X, 10, L, 50, C, 100, D, 500, M, 1000. Rules for writing Roman numerals. Rule 1. Repetition of a Roman numeral means addition. Examples. A. I is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. B. 3 times I is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. C. X is equal to 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. D. 3 times x is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. Remember, in the Roman system, there is no symbol for 0. Remember, only I, X, C and M can be repeated. V, L and D cannot be repeated. No numeral can be repeated more than 3 times. Rule 2. A smaller numeral written to the right of a larger numeral is always added to the larger numeral. Examples. A. V, I is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. B. X, I is equal to 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. C. L, X is equal to 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. D. X, V is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Rule 3. A smaller numeral written to the left of a larger numeral is always subtracted from the larger numeral. Examples. A. IV is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. B. I, X is equal to 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. C. X, L is equal to 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. D. X. C is equal to 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. Remember, V, L and D are never subtracted. I can be subtracted from V and X only. X can be subtracted from L and C only. C can be subtracted from D and M only. Rule 4. When a smaller numeral is placed between two larger numerals, it is always subtracted from the larger numeral immediately following it. Examples: A. X IV is equal to 10 plus 5 minus 1 is equal to 14. B. X I X is equal to 10 plus 10 minus 1 is equal to 19. Example 9. Write the Roman numerals for the following: A. 23, B. 52, C. 83, D. 47. Solution: A. 23 is equal to 20 plus 3 is equal to 2 times x, 3 times I. B. 52 is equal to 50 plus 2 is equal to L I. C. 83 is equal to 80 plus 3 is equal to L 3 times x, 3 times I. D. 47 is equal to 40 plus 7 is equal to XL V I. Example 10. Write the Hindu-Arabic numerals for the following: A. L I V, B. X L V, C. L X I V, D. L X X I. Solution: A. L I V is equal to 50 plus 4 is equal to 54. B. X L V is equal to XL plus V is equal to 50 minus 10 plus 5 is equal to 40 plus 5 is equal to 45. C. L X I V is equal to L X plus I V is equal to 50 plus 10 plus 5 minus 1 is equal to 60 plus 4 is equal to 64. D. L X X I is equal to L X X plus I is equal to 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1 is equal to 70 plus 1 is equal to 71.